Most Canadians are doing finance wrong. I share the system that actually works. I'm Theo Varn. This is Varn Capital Labs. Almost every Canadian has a TFSA, and almost all of them are wasting it. Not a little bit, massively. The difference between using a TFSA correctly versus incorrectly is easily hundreds of thousands of dollars tax-free over your lifetime. Same account, completely different outcome. Here's what most people think a TFSA is: a safer place to hold money. So they open one at their bank, deposit cash, maybe lock it into a GIC, and leave it there earning 2 to 3%. That feels responsible. It's also the mistake. Because that's not investing, that's parking. And parked money doesn't build wealth. It just slowly loses to inflation. The TFSA was never meant to be a savings account. It was designed to eliminate tax on growth. If there's no real growth inside it, you're not using the account, you're wasting it. Think of the TFSA as a container. The container itself does nothing. What matters is what you put inside it. Most Canadians fill it with cash, GICs, low-return products their bank suggested, low growth, low outcome. But the people who understand the system do the opposite. They fill it with assets that compound: broad market ETFs, index funds, strong long-term equities. Because inside a TFSA, something unique happens. Every dollar of growth, every dividend, every capital gain is completely tax-free. Forever. That changes the game. Two people, same country, same TFSA, same contributions. $500 a month. One plays it safe at 2%. The other invests for growth at 7%. After 25 years, the safe approach ends around $200,000. The growth approach ends around $400,000 plus. Same effort, same discipline. A $200,000 difference, completely tax-free. This is what most Canadians never see. They think they're being responsible, but they're quietly capping their upside for decades. Mistake 1. Treating it like a savings account. This is the biggest one. Cash inside a TFSA feels safe, but it guarantees low outcomes. Mistake 2. Misusing contribution room. Your TFSA room is limited and valuable. If you fill it with low-growth assets while your high-growth investments sit in taxable accounts, you've reversed the system. Your highest growth belongs inside the TFSA. Mistake 3. Breaking the withdrawal rule. Withdraw money, and that room only comes back next year. Put it back too early? You get hit with a 1% per month penalty. Small mistake, expensive consequences. The TFSA isn't powerful because it exists. It's powerful because of what you choose to put inside it. Most people will keep using it like a savings account. They'll stay safe and end up average. A small group will understand the system and quietly build serious tax-free capital over time. Same country, same rules. Different decisions. This channel exists for one reason: to build financial systems that actually compound. No noise, no hype, just the system. If you're serious about building wealth in Canada, subscribe, because this is for people who are building, not just earning.